Tesla. So I made a decision on Tesla. We're trading at 282. I said if it was above $300, I was going to roll it, but here's what I decided to do instead. I don't mind having 100 shares, and I took the income trade out of this May 16th. This is a 111 trade, so I bought the put at 255, sold the 250, sold the 245. I took profit on that. I did a big update in my Pulver Alerts yesterday on Tesla. So I have 100 shares. I have taken profit already. I did take this other chunk of shares that I'm currently sitting on. I had a 257.50 covered call for this Friday, which is today, and it's going to get called away. Yesterday, I decided to roll it out to next Friday, which is 5/9 expiration, and I rolled it out for $255 per contract. Okay, so that gives me 100 shares with a break even of 242.05. So I now have, I mean, this is, I'm speaking for all accounts. I have 500 shares in total, but just per account breakdown, I have a break even of 242.05 with a covered call at 257.50. So if it stays above 257.50 by next Friday, I make 1545 times 500. I'm making 77.25 on Tesla. Now, the reason I wanted to consider, okay, do I just keep this one open for income, or do I potentially, run the risk of getting this one assigned? So what I decided to do was close this one for a win. This one I pulled in $3.25 credit, and I closed it down for, let me see what it was. Got it written down here somewhere. Tesla 284 down to 85 cents. So it was a little high there. So 284 credit, and I closed it for $1.85 debit. Okay, so 199 bucks. Now I did that on 5 accounts. So there's $1,000 there with no assignment risk. So income, no assignment risk. Now I'm just going to focus on how aggressive can I keep rolling some calls. I mean, look, if Tesla comes down, it's okay. My break even's 242. I'll keep lowering the cost basis. If Tesla goes up, I'm going to keep rolling calls. I'll roll it week to week to week, and I'll hopefully get like $1, $2, $3 per week. And even if I never catch up with the stock, I'm still just going to roll this thing out and try to increase its bottom line. Every time I roll this, let's say I get $1 for a roll, it adds up to about $500 a week. So it's not bad. But if price comes down and I have to contend with, price is falling and the premiums to go up, which is a good thing, I'm just going to have to make sure that I'm lowering my cost basis. Right? I just saw some news this week, like the auto driving on Tesla is supposedly 10 times better than any other competitor right now. I think the worst part of Tesla was kind of priced in. I know Musk is now heading back to Tesla, or at least leaving Doge. I think they're still in the looks for somebody to kind of take the helm at Tesla, be CEO. I don't know if he's officially taking a leave of absence or if he's just dedicating his time elsewhere. Nevertheless, markets are up. It's funny how Tesla, I mean, S&P has gained for the last couple of weeks. We're back to the 200 moving average and a little bit higher. Mag 7 did pretty well this week. Tesla was just so beat up. It's we'll rip right there. So that's where Tesla was making the big run. I think if we just stay here and chop around, is it possible that we break this high? If we break this high, I mean, the nice thing is it's open space. But just be aware that this could be a range trade. And, could we go lower and then have a pattern on the right-hand side of this? All the above could happen. But if it goes higher, I'm just going to keep rolling, and not to mention a little Biscuit song, but I'm just going to keep rolling covered calls. So this is now a 5/9. Roll to 5/9 for 255 credit, and I will keep just tallying up the income. I'm not going to get super greedy. I would say by the time the Fed's going to cut in June, I'm really curious what the market's going to be doing.
If you'd like to see more of our free daily chart of the days, make sure to join our Telegram channel if you have not already joined. And if you are already in the Telegram channel, make sure to hit that thumbs up button to support our work. Also, quick reminder that if you're looking for free tools and free education in the trading space, head over to a1trading.com. You can check out our free technical, fundamental courses and much more.